Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut, and today we're going to be opening a box of Magic the Gathering Commander Legends Dungeons and Dragons Battle for Baldur's Gate set boosters. But one of the early implementations of set boosters, which is not so fun as, well, the later iterations was. Only has 18 packs if I recall correctly. Let's see what we get. I just like opening old sets and looking back at them. Really liked the lands with those little stories. Was cool. And of course, with Baldur's Gate 3 now, everyone should know some of the cards, I'm guessing. So we have a Gorian, Wise Mentor. We have Will, Blade of Frontiers. A Barroom Brawl. And a foil Renari, Merchant of Marvels. On to the next pack. Let's see what we get. We get a Dragon Cultist in the Etched treatment, Larisels, Acrobatics, and that's it here. On to the next one. Where we get Larisel herself, Vlaakith's Champion. Nice. We also get Shameless Charlatan and a Refined Grizzly, as well as Wizards of Fae. On to the next pack. Where we get an Inspiring Leader, Envy Edged Art treatment, Noble Heritage, Tasha the Witch Queen, Envy Extended Art treatment, and from the list a Rent Flesh. And on to the next pack we go. Where we have a, almost would have skipped her, Shadowheart, Dark Justicia. However you to pronounce it, I'm sorry. We also get a John Irenicus Shattered One, Basilisk Collar, and that's it here. And on to the next pack we go. No spoilers, please. And here we have an Agent of the Shadow Thieves for the Etched treatment, an Intellect Devourer, and a foil Mahadi Emporium Master. And on to the next pack. See what we get. We get Raphael, Fiendish Savior. We get Gale, Waterdeep Prodigy. John Irenicus, Shattered One, and that's it here. And on to the next one. Where we get a Zephlor, El Turel, Exile in Etched, a Vexing Puzzle Box, Extended Art treatment, very cool, and a Loyal Apprentice from the list. That's also a cool one to have. usually goes well with red commanders, so having more of those, good thing. And on to the next box, where we have another Cephalor. But we also have a veteran soldier for our edged foil, a sculpted sunburst, and that's it here. On to the next pack. Where we have a Minfarer, Merciless Soul for the edged foil, a Ragga, Gorgat's Boss, and that's it. On to the next pack. Let's see what we get. We get a Noble Heritage in edged foil. Cool. We get, it's over, Baldur's Gate. A Caves of Chaos adventure. That's also a cool one to have. And from the list, a Chandra Nala. Ochi Chandra. And on to the next pack we go. Where we get a Far Traveler in the edged foil. Nice hit. A Blade of Selves. If I recall correctly, not really money-wise, but I'm happy with it, so it's a nice hit. Very easy. In the next one we have a Macy True Sword Paladin. We get for the edged one an Arenas Gloomstalker, and then Astarion the Decadent. And that's it here. And on to the next pack we go. Here we get Nine Fingers Keen, a Corlessa Scale Singer for our edged foil, Jen Jensen, Chaos Crafter, and a Skeleton Token. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get. We get Dinah Hair, Invoker, Adept, an Elder Brain, and for some reason there's a Jade Avenger here from the list. 3 packs left to go. As I said, only 18 packs. Let's see what we get. We get a Miriam Sentinel Worm. That's a very nice one. Popular Entertainer, Tavern Broly for our edged. We get a Horn of Valhalla, as well as a Cultist of the Absolute in foil. Second to last pack. Let's see what we get. We get Ragga, Gorgat's Boss in edged foil, Legion Loyalty. And that's it here. Legion Loyalty is also not too shabby. On to the next pack. Well, the last pack actually. How sad. And here we get a Baba Lysaga, Night Witch. We also get a Dungeon Delver for our edged foil and a Luxury Suite. And that's it here. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching, If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.